Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to share my review and swatch video of the newly launched Maybelline Red Sunfire lipstick, and these are very comfortable moisturizing lipsticks. This is the outer packaging of the lipstick. I think the lipsticks look very pretty, and these do come with a plastic film on top, and here you can see the ingredients present in this lipstick on the plastic film, and I really like the packaging of these lipsticks. This is the outer packaging of the lipstick. This is how the lipstick looks. This is the lipstick bullet, and with the red lipstick you do get a black encircling inside, and it's not a completely red lipstick. It does have little bit of blackish tinge inside, and it looks very pretty. I think the packaging is absolutely pretty, and you cannot expect more from the packaging of this lipstick. I really love the packaging, the red and black sort of packaging that Maybelline has given, and these retail for 500 rupees for 3.9 grams of the product, and it has got a shelf life of 3 years, which is a long time. You can use these lipsticks for a very good amount of time, and these lipsticks have been launched on the occasion of Valentine's Day, so you're sure to find a shade of red for yourself. In total there are 5 shades in this range, and I'm going to swatch all the 5 shades of this lipstick range. I do want to mention that these lipsticks are not transfer proof. They do transfer a bit, but that's not a problem for me, since these lipsticks are very creamy, moisturizing, buttery, so they do transfer, and they also last for a very good amount of time, for approximately 4 to 5 hours easily on my lips, which I absolutely appreciate. However, I do recommend to apply a lip balm beforehand before applying these lipsticks. These lipsticks feel very moisturizing. They have a very comfortable formula. They do not dry out my lips. I love the formula of these lipsticks, and now I'm going to show you the swatches of all the 5 shades of red that are available in this collection, so please continue watching. This is the first shade, which is 01 Smoky Red, and this is a very beautiful red color. This is the second shade, 02 Ashy Red, and this is an orange based red. I really love this color of the red lipstick. I think it is an orangish red color and looks very pretty on the lips. And these lipsticks are very well pigmented, and they glide on very smoothly onto the lips, do not feel drying, and overall I'm very much impressed by these lipsticks. They're very comfortable on the lips. This is the third shade, 03 Inferno Red, and this does contain slight hint of shimmer in it, which are not very prominent, but yes, it does contain golden shimmer in it, and these are not very prominent when you apply them on the lips, but yeah, this is not a matte shade. It does have shimmers in it. So this is the fourth shade, 04 Volcanic Red, and this shade does contain shimmers in it. It is slightly sheerer than the rest of the shades. Nevertheless, this is also a very beautiful shade, but yes, it does have shimmers in it, and when light falls on this lipstick you do get to see the shimmers, and I really like this lipstick. It is a different kind of red color for me, and I like this color too. The shade Volcanic Red, I think it is a pinkish red kind of shade. It's not totally red. It has got hints of pink in it, and it has definitely got shimmers in it, and once light falls on these lipsticks the shimmers do reflect, and nevertheless I like this lipstick. This looks very beautiful on the lips, and this is a pinkish red kind of color. This is the 5th shade 05 Mercury Red, and this is the deepest color in this range, and I like this color too. I think this is a very beautiful red shade. This is a very beautiful color in itself. So those were the swatches of all the 5 red shades of this Maybelline Red on Fire lipstick, and my favorite were 02 Ashy Red and 04 Volcanic Red. I think those two are my favorites, and I see myself wearing those shades a lot. I also do believe that the shade 04 Volcanic Red is slightly unique, and it does contain shimmer. It looks very beautiful when you apply it on the lips. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.